guys, you're welcome on my channel. It's your girl Lydia Wendy's. Today I'm going to show you how I came across this look. If you like the look, stay tuned and enjoy the tutorial. I'm going to start with the concealer. So I'm going to put the concealer on my eyes. Yeah. Alright guys, using the Sacha Buttercup, I'm gonna go in with that and just tap. Alright guys, using the NYX Ultimate Palette, I'm gonna go in with that yellow. The yellow is over here, it's a light yellow, so I'm gonna go in with that, and yeah, we take it from there. I'm gonna tap motion and make a circular motion over there. Do the same to this side. Circular motion according to the shape of that line on the eye. We go like that and we stop there, straight line down. From the NYX Ultimate Palette, I'm gonna go in with the grain from that palette. It's one of my most favorite grains, that grain over there. I've used it before. I'm gonna go in with that one, and I already did go in with that one. I'm just letting you know I went ahead of you. I didn't let you know, but now I'm telling you. Yeah, I overlapped a part of it onto the yellow, and then the other half is not attached to the yellow. And I'm keeping the circle motion. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. From the NYX Ultimate Palette, I'm still gonna go in with the next blue, the blue next to the grain that I just went in with. So this is gonna be blue right now, and I'm gonna put it right there and right there. Alright, so now we know it sticks better just because we're tapping, and we also use the concealer that was very light. So yeah, that's the results. We're not taking too much time on it. It's got color all over my face. Yeah, these colors are really pigmented. Wow, they're such a blessing. They are so nice. I didn't struggle to put them on. It was so easy, super duper easy. Right now I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Lashes with Oil Blend. Yeah. I'm gonna go in with the it's called the Rimmel Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liner to shadow. Yeah, it's 2-in-1 eyeliner and ombretto. So I'm gonna go in with that. Yeah, and just go like that. I've got those colors on there. they could not go off. So guys, I'm gonna go in with a lipstick, and it's called Roasted Almond, and this is a Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. That is from Slick. It's a nude one. I'm gonna go in with that stick, the primer stick. Yeah. And I'm gonna take the same stick over there and over there, and I'm gonna beat that before it dries. With a Maybelline Compact Fit Me Matte Palette, I'm just putting powder on there, and yeah, I'm just powdering all those areas that I highlighted. So yeah, it's just right now I'm gonna use the Freedom Pro Blush palette, and I'm gonna put that on there like really quick. I've got to. And with the primer, it's called PS Priming Water. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to press the notification bell below so that you can be notified every time there's a new video. Thank you very much. Bye.